Today we'll see how to use stroke properties in Adobe Illustrator. Stroke are outlines. For example, if you have this shape and you have fill as well as you have stroke, which is called that outline or border. What properties do we have in Illustrator and how we can change them? We are going to see this. So this one is called stroke. How we can control. Also, if you have line only like this is also called stroke. And if you have the shape here and we have also stroke here and also you have corners for that stroke, we'll see how we can work. For now you have learned only you can change the color of the stroke and you can change width from here. Only this you have learned. And also you can change its style from here. If you want to change the style of the stroke, you can change from here. Even if you have this stroke, and just you can change the style of the stroke from here as well, like this. It's a stroke, it's not a shape, it's not a fill. Alright, this one is only a stroke. One thing more, if you want to convert this stroke into shape, what you will do? You will go object and here expand appearance. From here now you will see this stroke has been converted into shape. Alright, now it has an outline and it has a fill property as well. So how we can convert stroke into shape? Just go to object and expand appearance. Alright, we'll back to our stroke topic. So I will just draw one stroke like this, and now from here only you can change color and you can change width and style. But we have whole stroke panel here. If you click here, you will see the whole stroke panel. You can also go Windows and from here you can also take stroke panel and just look at here. Here will be stroke panel, this one. It's already checked, means it's here. So you can just bring it out and click here. Right, now you will see we have a lot of properties in this stroke panel. First property, we have stroke weight. You can change stroke weight, that we have learned already from here. So that's easy. And then we have cap. Cap means if you have open path, means you have start point and end point of the stroke, then you can change the cap style like this. Right? If you have anywhere you have like open, you can do. So one is cap, you can change. This is butt cap, means whatever will be the length of the stroke, so this the outline will end there. You have also this one round cap, it will give you roundness. Alright, and then we have projection. Projecting cap in, it will give you a little bit higher than the length of your line. Then we have corners. These corners is all about the corner of the stroke. If your object has a corner, for example, now this object doesn't have corner here. Alright, for example, if you click here, nothing will happen. If you will choose corner, because this stroke doesn't have corner. Yes, if you have like this, alright, like this, now this shape has a corner. This is called corner. Now you can change it. Look, now you can change to corner. Now if you will change cap also, look, you have created this shape. Right? Maybe many like you are struggling to how to create this shape, like it should be round from here, round, round. And if you will increase its width from here like this, and now just convert into shape, expand. Alright, fill and stroke, that's it. Now it's a shape, okay, here. Right? So many things you can create with the stroke and you can convert it into shape. Right? For example, if you have like you want to create a ring like this, so I will just remove its fill color and I will just increase it like this. Now you want to create this ring. So what you will do, object and just expand and click OK. Now look, it's converted into ring. Now you can do Alt and copy like this, you can change it. Now if you know shape builder, you can also work on them like this. You can merge this like this and you can work on this as well. Alright, like this. Now ring inside ring. Right? So that stroke is very important. You need to work like in stroke and you have to use these all properties. Okay. So this shape has a corner, so you can change the corner of the stroke as well, and now you can see here the corner is changing. So we have here meter joint, so it will be straight, and here you have a round joint and you have also bevel join. So it's your own choice, you can choose from here. Next we have align stroke. This is also important, alright. Align stroke means now if you will just look at here, let me change its color so we see better, alright, and the outline color also I will change to black. Okay, now you can see here this is blue line. This blue line, like your stroke is center aligned to the object, like this one is stroke and this one your object. So half stroke is inside and half stroke is outside. Okay, so if you click here align stroke inside, now you will see all stroke will go inside. Alright, now your object is hidden. Alright, now your stroke is taking part of your object. If you want to reveal your whole object, then use outside like this. Now your stroke is outside to the object. Now you can use this option. So many times we use this option, you inside, then center, and by default is center, and then you have align stroke to outside. Then if you want to convert your line into dashes, you can click here and your line will be converted into dashes. Alright, and from here you can control the dash width and the gap between dashes. For example, here this one is 30 point dash, so you can change it to 12. Now you will see it becomes 12. You can also change its cap look like this. Alright, you can also change the cap look like this. Alright, still you have options, and still you can do also inside. Look, if you will change color, it looks awesome. Right, then you have okay, so that's how you can use and how you can convert into dashes. We have one more option. It's not here, it's arrowheads. Okay, when you will select another line, if it has start point and end point, then you will see arrowheads here. So from arrowheads you can apply arrow like this from first end, and the second you can also we have like this. Alright, so quickly you can create an arrow in Illustrator. Alright, for example, even if you have curve, so I will create for example like this. Alright, and if you want to create an arrow, alright, so select this one, select from here arrow shape, and from here you can also tail like this. Alright, so any tail you can select. Look, from here you can reverse also the tail and head order. You can also change the scale from here like this, scale of the head and like tail. You can align also like this. If you want to align, you can align like this is extend arrow, tip beyond end part of the path, and here you can get inside. You can change also profile from here. Look, if you have created profile, look, this is your amazing arrow you have created. Right, maybe you are struggling how to create arrows in Illustrator, so you can use this stroke option. Right, so this is all about stroke. Now you can practice and create arrows and also practice all these options. All right.